Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the world of futuristic agriculture, where machines are revolutionizing the way we farm. Imagine a world where tractors drive themselves, drones monitor crop health from above, and robots handle the planting and harvesting with precision and efficiency. This isn't science fiction, it's happening. Join us now to explore them. This cherry harvester uses tree shaking technology to dislodge cherries, which are then collected on a conveyor belt system and sorted into bins for packaging. Like the first one, this harvester uses a canopy shaker to gently dislodge plants, which are then caught by catching frames and transported via conveyor belts into collection bins. To Arnold harvester collects up to 3 rows at once, featuring adjustable speed, 1-meter wide picker and assisted roll-tail cover table. The John Deere 8RX 340 tractor excels in cultivating 24 rows of corn simultaneously, using its advanced track system for superior traction and minimal soil compaction. Offers numerous health benefits. Its flavor and medicinal properties make it a popular choice for snacking, cooking, and traditional remedies. The celery root harvester is expertly crafted for efficient harvesting, featuring advanced technology and precise cutting mechanisms to ensure a clean yield while minimizing crop damage. Shown 7400 combines featuring 35-foot wide honeybee draper heads, excel in harvesting wheat and other grains, so it's reliable for large-scale agricultural operations. Bell peppers, after harvesting, are taken to the factory for cleaning, sorting, and packaging. Previously, bell peppers were harvested from fields using this specialized type of machine. This harvester efficiently collects ripe raspberries from fields using gentle mechanisms that prevent damage, ensuring high-quality yields. You know what? Despite a significant harvest, India does not lead in watermelon cultivation. China surpassed all others in 2020 by producing over 60 million tons of watermelons. Uses a conveyor system to move potatoes from storage to trucks. It functions as a skid steer with a raised seat and dual control levers, allowing seamless operation of the conveyor belt while maneuvering sugar beet harvester is engineered to lift and separate sugar beets from the soil, utilizing modern technology to optimize harvesting efficiency and maintain crop quality. Smart robotic arms are utilized in the factory to arrange apples into boxes and perform packaging tasks. Nowadays, a modern machine like this makes it easy and quick to peel mangoes. These electric brushes are automated grooming devices designed to enhance the comfort of plants. They help stimulate blood circulation and healthy returns. You must see this flawless lemon concentrate juice processing line. Unlike traditional grill accumulators, this system uses a plunger to push bales up and out of the chute and automatically resets with springs and counterweights after loading. The fertilizer applicator machine is designed to dispense fertilizer around the base of plants, helping by spreading the fertilizer evenly across the soil surface and the plant roots, optimizing nutrient absorption. Technology has been used for high-speed strawberry picking operations, with models capable of achieving an impressive rate of around 800 picks per hour. This livestock feed dispenser device is quite unique. This is the first time I've seen it. Not only are these pineapples grown perfectly, but the automated machinery handling them is also exceptionally efficient. Thanks to this harvester, harvesting spinach becomes easier and faster than ever. Farmers just need to sit and drive and observe everything in the farm. This device makes fruit picking look incredibly simple, doesn't it? The Oxbow 8430 sweet corn harvester is equipped with a high-capacity picking head that efficiently removes sweet corn ears from the stalks. Then, the machine's conveyor and sorting mechanisms further separate and grade the harvested corn. Once harvested, the apples are taken to the factory where they undergo sorting and cleaning processes. Damaged or bruised fruit is removed during sorting, followed by a thorough washing to eliminate dirt. The process of cleaning and packaging peaches in a factory will proceed as follows. During soybean harvesting in the field, using a combine harvester, the machine cuts and gathers mature soybean plants. The Formaco OE 4.5 is equipped with specialized features such as a unique shaker and an extended tray. A canopy positioned over the tree rows prevents fruits from dropping to the ground. This sprayer is designed for applying pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers over large fields. Its capacity and reach make it ideal for covering substantial areas. Next is the Anderson FBM Pro 2000, a self-loading bale carrier designed for wrapped bales. It can transport up to 20 bales at once, saving time, labor, and fuel in the fields. This machine is a heavy-duty machine designed to mow expansive areas. It equipped with a wide cutting deck and strong blades for tackling thick grass and rough terrain effectively. These mango crates look really appealing. Surely, the farmers must have taken meticulous care of the mango orchard to achieve this result. The Titan Mock Spreader evenly spreads farmyard manure, available in sizes from 6 to 20 cubic meters. It offers maneuverability and enhanced loading capacity with flared sides and low loading height. The T-Harvester is a specialized machine designed to efficiently gather tea leaves from plantations. It streamlines the harvesting process, maintaining leaf quality for tea production. The Topaz M6 Pro is crafted for efficient fruit harvesting, featuring an optimized frame for easy maintenance and a redesigned fan and XL loading drill bit for faster data collection. This large conveyor system significantly aids farmers in harvesting loads by efficiently transporting them from the fields to storage or processing facilities. Now, let's visit a starfruit farm brimming with fruits in Taiwan. This compact daily harvester will help farmers increase productivity and reduce labor intensity significantly. Here, cotton is compressed into bales before it undergoes the manufacturing process to become cotton fabric. The advanced optical sensor and the 32-roller corn leaf super efficiently separates kernels from leaves and grain, ensuring precise sorting and enhancing corn harvesting quality and productivity. Perforated pipes are installed underground in agriculture to drain excess water from the crop root soil to a ditch or outlet, a method known as artificial subsurface drainage, widely implemented using a wheel trencher. The Unleash Multi-Planter 1800 is designed to sow multiple rows of seeds simultaneously. It features adjustable row spacing and precise seed placement capabilities, making it suitable for various crops and soil conditions. Fruit orchard trees are prone to promote healthy growth. The Pandora SR1 from NaLac is a versatile growing machine ideal for fruit trees, especially those with tall branches. Large-scale farms employ machines specifically designed for cleaning up after trimming walnut trees. These machines clear debris left from the trimming process, facilitating tree maintenance. The leaf onion harvester operates by cutting and gathering green onion leaves using rotating blades. It ensures efficient harvesting by separating the leaves from the bulbs. The Green Harvey 1 potato harvester operates effectively across diverse soil conditions, featuring advanced capabilities like adjustable digging depth and gentle crop handling. Next, let's delve into Big Tab's frozen potato processing line, which offers a complete solution for food producers aiming to deliver top quality products. The brilliant winter scenery creates a stunning icy landscape, yet the snowplow must still perform its job effectively, right? The cheaper machine shown is designed for producing sawdust. It features powerful and aggressive drive rollers that enable it to process various types of materials efficiently. modern pumpkin farms employ advanced techniques like irrigation systems, greenhouses, and genetically modified crops to enhance production and maximize yields. That's it for a deep dive into the incredible world of modern agricultural machines. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in agricultural technology, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more exciting discoveries.